Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most critical environmental challenges of our time, carbon emissions. What are they, and why do they matter? Carbon emissions are at the heart of global warming. Understanding them is the first step toward finding solutions. Carbon emissions primarily refer to carbon dioxide, or CO2, released into the atmosphere. But they also include other greenhouse gases, like methane and nitrous oxide, all of which trap heat. In this video, we will explore the main sources of these emissions, and then examine the serious consequences they have on our planet and our lives. Let's first look at where these significant amounts of carbon emissions originate. The largest source is the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, for electricity generation, powering our vehicles, and heating our homes. Heavy industry, including the production of cement, steel, and chemicals, is another massive contributor, releasing large volumes of carbon dioxide during manufacturing processes. When forests are cut down or burned, the carbon stored in the trees is released back into the atmosphere. This deforestation significantly reduces the planet's ability to absorb CO2. Now, let's turn our attention to the global consequences of these rising emissions, starting with climate change. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping heat that would normally escape into space. This phenomenon is known as the greenhouse effect, and it leads directly to a warmer climate. The most evident consequence is the continuous rise in global temperatures, leading to warmer years on record and disrupting climatic patterns worldwide. Higher temperatures fuel extreme weather events, including devastating droughts, intense flooding, and more frequent and severe heat waves. Beyond weather, carbon emissions have profound and damaging effects on the natural environment. Melting glaciers and thermal expansion of seawater cause sea levels to rise, threatening coastal communities and leading to increased erosion. The oceans absorb a significant amount of CO2, leading to acidification. This harms marine ecosystems, particularly coral reefs and shellfish. Climate change also leads to habitat loss and migration shifts, threatening countless species and disrupting fragile ecosystems, leading to biodiversity loss. In summary, carbon emissions are reshaping our world, but the story doesn't end there. Addressing this crisis requires immediate and substantial reductions in global carbon emissions and a rapid transition to cleaner energy sources and sustainable practices. Every action counts, from supporting renewable energy to embracing sustainable living. We all have a role to play in securing a healthy future for our planet.